Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishnan. This is the next part of the. So here 100% of the yes basically. So like this basically also things are connected with. So here one person asked the question basically, like this in this world basically around 700 crore human souls are there. So you want to say that basically that all are created on the base of land data basically. So 1% of the yes basically the base is land basically, and on the base of that basically the data are created basically. So here 1% of the yes basically. So you can just imagine basically how the things are basically created. So 1% of the yes basically how the things are created, that we can basically easily able to track it basically. Easily able to track it basically. So like this basically one of the person basically asked the question basically we have basically not seen that video basically of Marine Drive basically. So Sunil told that still basically I not got the job in software company basically. So when I will get the job basically I will upload the video basically. After that basically that person basically left. In which area basically? That I will tell in some few videos basically. So here one person asked the question basically, like this basically the entire world basically is mapped basically. For example, South Africa people basically, they are basically 100 crore. Their souls basically are created on the base of some certain level of land diagram. So that's a land diagram. Body itself basically is a one land diagram basically. Indian population basically is 200 crore. That is connected with some land diagram basically. American people basically, they are connected with some land diagrams. Same way entire world basically is connected, population basically is connected with some land diagram basically. That's why basically I always tell basically whenever the earthquake happens, the human population basically is responsible. So next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about this topic.